What if I told you there's a bird more colorful than a painter's palette? The Mandarin duck is one of nature's most stunning creations. With its vibrant plumage, it looks like it flew straight out of a fairy tale. These beauties are native to East Asia, but you can spot them in parks around the world. Males are the show-offs with their bold colors, while females keep it understated yet elegant. Next time you're by a pond, keep an eye out. You might just see this feathered jewel. Remember, nature's wonders are all around us. Sometimes you just need to look.